Hi, it's Sara Rayner here from Crafting and Stamping, and I'm back with another quick tip for you. Today's quick tip is how to get a little extra dimension in your flowers or leaves for that matter. When we die cut them, they come out flat like this and they look very pretty layered up, but they can look even prettier when you add a bit of extra dimension. So the way we do this, we get a bone folder. You could use another implement, but a bone folder is something that works really well. And what you need to do is trap the petal or leaf between your thumb and the edge of the bone folder, and you just draw it across very gently. And you can see that this is creating a little bit of extra dimension, and you just do it slowly and gently. If you go slow if you need to, as you start to get used to it you can go a bit quicker, but you need to be careful, particularly with something like this where the petal is quite thin towards the centre, because it's very easy to actually pull and tear it off. So I would recommend starting with some cardstock. What I then usually do is just fold the petals towards the centre and create a natural sort of fold there. Same with these ones. Just fold them up. The thicker the cardstock, the easier it will be. So I recommend starting with cardstock, or as we've got here, gold foil. Then as you get a little bit more practiced at it, then you can start using thinner papers such as the vellums or DSP. So this works with any kind of flower or leaf shape. And like I say, just have a practice. If you're using something that's a bit expensive, try having a practice on plain paper first. Try die cutting or punching just from copy paper and have a practice, and then have a go with the real thing. And this is how you can then layer up and create a beautiful 3D effect. But that will actually still flatten down a little bit if you want it to for going through the post. Hope this tip helps. If you like these tips, please subscribe for future ones. I publish a quick tip every Friday, and I usually publish a quick card now on a Monday, except when it's the first Monday of the month where it gets shifted to Tuesday. So thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you again soon.